I'm Maureen Burford, and I direct Creative Lives. And over the past decade or more, I've had the privilege of sharing Ellen Tadd's Framework for Wise Education with thousands of young people and with the adults who teach and parent them. Her framework is based on Ellen's deep look at, her deep observations of our human energy system, or our chakra system, and its fundamental role in human development. So recently I had the chance to sit down and share some of what I'll talk to you about in this upcoming workshop. I was speaking with Liz Wiley, the director of the Marian Institute in Massachusetts. And at the end of our conversation, Liz paused and she looked at me and she said, Maureen, if I could wave a magic wand, I would put this framework in the hands of every parent and teacher around the world. It's that important. And I agree with her. So I invite you to join me to discover a framework for wise education and its powerful impact for young people, for teachers, parents, and really for our society as a whole. See you soon.